Oh my gosh. Crap, I didn't use... I ran out of Kirby's, I have to switch my add-ons. That's unfortunate. Maybe over here? Try left. See you running. Two down there, one's close by. One's up here, maybe. They're already gone. Did she just draw? Should have popped that gem. Whatever. I'll pop it now. I don't see you. Okay, there's one over there. You just ran back down. Bad idea, buddy. There goes Dwight. It's dead end. This is the entrance. See no scratch marks? Oh, there. There's Dwight. Switch on the cover for a bit. Where's the Dwight at? He's still lurking around here. There he is. He slipped the cage in you. I already thought I wouldn't notice. Ah, not this. Bolts. They got picked up. Don't know where Dwight is. There's the quad. There. I see you running down there. I already hooked you though. Let's see if there's scratch marks over here. I don't think so. Did I just run straight to him? Should I just go and hide behind the wall? Good to know that was live. What are you doing? You don't get that pal stun. It's kind of a dead zone. Here in the house. Take this chin over here at least. you to basement if you're not getting unhooked, maybe? I'll hook you right here. I think I'm gonna pass out. What did she? Does she have Iron Will? Or she just kept running and I never heard her. Why didn't they unlock her too? I seriously just whipped that. Nice latency. Somebody's gotta have high ping. I don't know if it's me or if it's them. There she is. She's dead. The pallet over there is gone. I don't believe you know that. This one's still here though. I don't know where to go. Where's she going? How, dude? These scratch marks were not there. I'm gonna pop this. I'm gonna get this frickin' light. There he is. He sees me. Don't make that. Oh my gosh. Dude, take me a shot. He didn't ult that time. He ran around. What are you doing? I don't... Where did you hop in a locker? No, he ran out. He ran in, then he ran back out. Oh my gosh. This Dwight's killing me. Get out of here, Laurie. Stuns me. Do not finish that, Laurie. What? Get out of there quick. This way. Is he still over there? I don't know where that Dwight went. I want him though. That puck's gone. It's Dwight. Walking over toward that chin. Please touch it. No, you didn't touch it. Where is he? Just walking around. I heard the Dwight. Oh my gosh, I can't. Perfect. Light. Pistol on. Should've went over there. Whatever the basement is. Keep you down here for a while. Both over there. Alright, I know where that's at. Behind the house. I don't even have to phase. Just take my time. Check shack though. There's Laurie. Better use that sprint burst if you have it. There you are. She just drop. I don't like you doing it. I can't slug. There you are, Claude. Fire should be over at shack. Where's she over here? You thought, Laurie. It's your normal play around. Aw, she didn't. I just run into him. He's dead. This guy does not have fire in the well. I need some info. Where's the Claude at? Is she at shack or is she close? Heal it up. That's fine. But where's Claudette? Trying to stealth. Face. One phase. That helps go on, I keep forgetting. Put you back here. And this will let me know where you guys are going. Oh, and then one runs, one goes back the other way. Straight behind the tree. Alright. That's kind of far, I'm gonna pop it. Just to secure the gate. He probably finished his self-carrying though because of that. Whatever he was doing. Don't know where he went. He ran off. That was pretty quick. No info. Locker maybe, or that river close. Check this one, I know this was here before. Yeah. They're over there, they won't have time to get to a locker, really. They really doubled up on that gen. Wow. I don't want the Claude first, I want the Dwight. There he is. Oh, there's Hatch. Nice head on. And Aganoki right next to the hatch. There you are, I see you hiding at the car. No. No, he's like the stealth and vibrant red.